Welcome back, listeners. Today we are talking about supercharging your career growth. I have got 5 game changing tips that will help you level up in your professional life. So, buckle up and let's get into it. Tip number 1: embrace the learning lifestyle. Folks, in today's fast paced world, standing still is same as moving backwards. You have got to keep that brain of yours sharp and up to date. I'm talking about dedicating at least 30 minutes a day to learning something new in your field. Maybe it's a Coursera class on data analytics, or perhaps it's diving into that industry white paper you've been putting off. Here's a pro tip: create a learning schedule. Monday could be for watching TED Talks, Wednesdays for reading industry blogs, and Fridays for practicing a new skill. The key is consistency. Remember, it's not about massive change overnight, it's about small, steady improvements that compound over time. Moving on to tip number 2: network like your career depends on it, because it does. I'm not talking about collecting business cards here, it's not about schmoozing or being fake, it's about building genuine relationships. Start by reaching out to new one person in your industry each week. It could be simple LinkedIn message saying, "Hey, I loved your recent article on AI in marketing. Would you be up for a 15-minute virtual coffee to chat more about it?" And don't forget about internal networking as well. Get to know folks from different departments in your company. Understanding the big picture of how your organization works can open doors you did not even know existed. All right, let's talk about tip 3: secure a mentor or two. Having a mentor is like having a career cheat code. They've been where you want to go and they can help you avoid pitfalls they encountered. But here's the thing: don't just limit yourself to one mentor. I recommend having a mentor board of directors. Seek out different mentors for different aspects of your career. Maybe one for technical skills, another one for leadership skills, and a third one for work life balance insights. And remember, mentorship is two-way street. Always be thinking about how you can add value to your mentor's life too. Now, on to tip 4: become the go to person for challenging projects. Listen up, because that's the crucial one. Next time a tough project comes up that everyone else is shying away from, that's your cue to step up. Yes, it might be daunting, but these are projects that accelerate your growth and get you noticed. Here's how to approach it: break the project down into manageable chunks, identify the skills you need to develop to succeed, then proactively seek out resources or people who can help you fill those skills gaps. Not only will you complete a challenging project, but you will also expand your skill set and your network in the process. And finally, tip 5: set SMART goals and track them religiously. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Instead of a vague goal like get promoted, try something like take on 2 high visibility projects and expand my team leadership skills in the next 6 months to position myself for a senior role. Now, here's a kicker: don't just set these goals and forget them. Review them weekly. Use a journal or an app to track your progress. Celebrate the small wins along the way, and if you are falling behind, don't beat yourself up. Adjust your approach, keep moving forward. All right, listeners, we are wrapping up today's episode. I hope these 5 tips have you fired up and ready to take your career to new heights. Before we sign off, I want to give a massive shout out to all of you incredible listeners. Your dedication to growth and self improvement is truly inspiring. You're out there putting in the work, and that's what makes this community so special. Now, I've got a little homework for you. Don't worry, it's the fun kind. Pick one of these tips we talked about today and commit to trying it out this week. Maybe you will start that learning journal, or perhaps you will reach out to someone new for a virtual coffee. Whatever you choose, I would love to hear about it. Drop me a line on our social media or shoot me an email. Your stories and experiences might just inspire a future episode. And hey, if you found value in today's show, why not share the love? Pass this episode along to a friend or colleague who's looking to supercharge their career. You never know, you might just change somebody's professional life. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We have got some fantastic episodes coming up, so I don't want you to miss them. Up until next time, keep dreaming big, take action, and catapult your career to new heights. Remember, you got this, and I'm rooting for you every step of the way. This is Omer from the Macro View. Catch you on our next episode.